My name is Randy Sharp, and I want to welcome you to dinner party tonight. If it looks good and smells good before you cook it, it's pretty much guaranteed that it's gonna look good and smell good and taste good when you eat it. And we're just gonna cover this as quickly as we can. We're gonna make pickled shrimp. Ah, that one's hot. Ah, it's a lot of olive oil. Don't be scared. Smells like a dream come true. Last night you made a cake. Who knew you could do that? Oh, it almost pureed. Beautifully caramelized in sugar. Just don't be afraid to let it really sit in there and get brown. Oh my God, will you look at that? Give me a break. This is a killer meal. Good luck, have fun, and have a dinner party tonight.